Have you ever felt like you're doing everything right to lose weight, but the scale just won't budge? It's so frustrating. What if I told you the answer might be hiding in the Amazon rainforest? Enter acai berries. These little purple powerhouses are packed with nutrients that can supercharge your weight loss journey. They're rich in fiber, which can rev up your metabolism and help you burn calories more efficiently. Plus, they regulate blood sugar levels, making it easier to manage those pesky cravings. And let's not forget the antioxidants. They detox your body while boosting your energy, keeping you active and motivated. Countless people have shared their success stories, not just losing weight but gaining confidence and vitality. This isn't just a quick fix, it's a step toward a healthier lifestyle. If you're ready to see real progress, acai berries could be the natural solution you've been searching for. Say goodbye to excess weight and hello to a more confident you.
Thank you for watching. For a more in-depth review of the product, click the link in the description below to visit the official website.